Hello and welcome to 7th grade pre-algebra chapter 10, where we will be learning about area and volume of 2D and 3D figures. The objective for this unit is for students to be able to use the information they learn to find the surface area and volume of various shapes and figures. Here's the technology that we use in this unit. iPads, Evernote, Paper 53, WavePad, EduCreations, Adobe Voice, Blogs, Padlet, Google Drive and Google Office, Wikis, iMovie, Adobe Annotate, Fakebook, Flashcards, Coggle, SkyMap, Khan Academy, PictoChart, YouTube, GarageBand, Keynote, Tinkercad, and Absolute Board. This unit plan covers the 7th grade Common Core State Standards for Geometry and specifically covers 7GA1, 7GA2, 7GA3, and 7GB6. Technology standards that are covered in this unit plan are ISTE 1, ISTE 1A, 1B, 2, 2A, 2B, 2D, 3, 3B, 3C, 4, and 4B. According to Howard Gardner, we have a variety of different learning intelligences in our classroom. Thus, my unit plan contains an array of activities to help each type of learner understand the material. Each day, students will write the yellow highlighted terms from their math book in their math notebooks, which are either in Evernote or Paper 53. And whatever formulas are in the chapter, they will write in their mind map in Coggle. By the end of this unit, their math notebooks and mind maps will be filled with characteristics and formulas of parallelograms, triangles, trapezoids, circles, and space figures such as prisms, cylinders, pyramids, cones, and spheres. Students will learn about the area of parallelograms, triangles, and trapezoids through flipped classroom videos shared via Google Drive. They will use SkyMap to find constellations that form these shapes, screenshot them, and calculate the area of them. They will use EduCreations and Adobe Voice to create and share their own lessons in order to reciprocally teach their peers and reinforce the information for themselves. They will use YouTube to listen to catchy songs of different formulas, such as the circle song shown here. Then they'll use GarageBand to create their own. Then they'll find the various circles on our school basketball court, measure them, find their areas, and record them in Google Sheets. They will use interactive websites such as Illuminations to learn about space figures and their nets. And will then use iMovie to create their own visuals of space nets. They will create blog posts to give step-by-step instructions for specific problems. And they will create infographics on 3D shapes, their characteristics, and their surface area formulas. They will use Khan Academy to watch videos on volume of prisms, cylinders, pyramids, cones, and spheres and do the practice problems. They will use more interactive websites such as Shepherd Software and IXL to practice and play with volume of space figures. And we will use Padlet along the way to post and answer any questions. They will use the Flashcards app to write and review all of the formulas that they've learned in this unit, and then they will create a wiki of the various shapes learned in this chapter. They will include the name of the shape, at least 2 different pictures, and their formulas for area and volume, and a practice problem for each with step-by-step instructions. They will spend 2 days working on this and turn the website in through Google Forms. For their final projects, students will use Tinkercad to create their own robots out of the 3D shapes we studied this chapter. They will measure each shape to find the total surface area and volume of the robot and check each other's calculations. They will present their robots to the class and then give each other feedback on what they liked about each and positive suggestions for the next time. My goal for this unit and every unit moving forward is to make the content come alive to students through various technological tools. I want to have a variety of activities and learning centers so that students don't have time to become bored and lazy in class. I've found that since taking this class, I've been able to more effectively redirect and help students because I am aware of their learning intelligences. I truly believe that in order to reach as many students as possible, we have to stop meeting them halfway and instead start meeting them where they are through their learning intelligences. And I am excited to do this.